Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video guys, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo on how to fold Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video we are doing tutorial on how to fold, how to roll our underwear. So if you are not yet subscribe my channel, please do click the subscribe and on the notification bell for more upcoming videos. So if you want to learn, just take one underwear and follow me. Okay, so let's start. So because this is very easy tutorial, so you don't need to take a lot of time. So guys, are you ready? Did you get one of your underwear? So follow me, okay? So flatten your underwear, then fold it a few times, a few times only. Do not fold until here. No, okay? No. So you're going to fold only halfway, and then you're going to when you fold already, stop, and then baliktarin mo, okay, and then baliktarin talaga, no, and then you are going to fold here, okay? Did you follow me? Did you follow me? Okay. And then this one here. Okay. And then, did you see here? Did you see here? You just twist. Twist is very easy. See? Done. Did you see it? Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's do it one more time. If you are, okay, let's get this. You know, this sew-in is, I don't like to wear it. This sew-in is, you know, is very uncomfortable for me to wear. So maybe I'm going to send this in Philippines. I just bought it just like a collection. Okay, so are you ready? One more time. Fold it, and then turn it back. Okay, when you turn it back, you see these two wings. This is a wings. Okay, just like a wings, and then you just fold it, and then this is put here. Okay, so when you put already here, turn, and then you will see just like, you know, you know, when you fold it, there's something to hold. So when you hold, this is hold, and then you just push it, push. So that's all. See? So easy, right? So did you follow me? So guys, if you follow me, then thank you. So guys, thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy this short and useful tutorial. Very neat, guys. Your drawer, if you have this arrangement, and then if you have also something to hold, just a box, and then it's very neat. Okay, so until here guys, and see you next time. Bye.